Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathimi amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngizoqala ngeindaba ezihamba phambili ke bafethu. Orlando Pirates isihambise abadlali ababili ibayisa le kwi-Orbit College okuyanga Madiba benalomfana lo uThuso Mleleki. Menikhumbula kahle ukuthi uThuso Mleleki wathengwa iOrlando Pirates imthenga kuyona iOrbit College. Umjida usezobuyela kuyona iOrbit College ayoshaya khona iloan benoyanga Madiba bayohlala khona with uMonapole Salengi uyanga Madiba mase kubuyena lo mjida lo uThuso Mleleki. So 3 of those players will join Orbit College kule season ezoqala nje bathi ukuthola ama minutes kancane bayilolonke badlale kahle Orlando Pirates babuyise. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa isikhukhuna United silindele noma yiphi team efuna ukuzothenga ugoalkeeper wabo uRenaldo Liyena. Menikhumbula kahle kuRenaldo Liyena ulo goalkeeper lo wanikezwe ithuba inikezwe uEric Tinkler last season ngosikhathi bedlala naye eMamelodi Sundowns. Umjida wayibonakalisa ngempela waze wathola icollab from ucoach Hugo Broos uthi ambiza odlalela Bafana. So umjida ngempela he has been linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi noma iKaizer Chiefs izokwazi nokumthenga lo mjida lo, but ke iKaizer Chiefs iyona team right now ema favorite uteam sign ugoalkeeper weSikhukhuna United. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa AmaZulu have swiftly appointed uMusa Langa as their new goalkeeper coach replacing uWendell Robinson. Menikhumbula kahle uWendell Robinson wayisekela likaRulani wayihamba noRulani lapha kweMamelodi Sundowns waqoshwa kweMamelodi Sundowns ubese sebenza kuMaZulu right now. So uRulani nje besathanda kujoina nje iMC Alger. uRulani umbizile ukuthi afike lapha kweMC Alger azomsiza abu goalkeeper coach weMC Alger. So usesulile ke esikhundleni sakhe uWendell Robinson lapha kuMaZulu. AmaZulu asethole ugoalkeeper coach omusha okumusa Langa. Isakona nje AmaZulu bafethu kuthiwa AmaZulu afuna ukushaya imove enkulu kakhulu, bafuna ukusayina istriker esiqhamuka kweTS Galaxy. Le striker ke lesibafethu uZajmovic menikhumbula kahle umjida ushiyile lapha kweTS Galaxy use free agent right now udinga iteam azoyidlalela. Kuthiwa AmaZulu are interested in signing the striker. Istriker sibe namagoals awu11 in 28 games last season. So uSuthu ba interested kakhulu ukuthola le striker lesa saze noma bazowina yena kwemtholini. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iSwelele FC are gearing up for their Betway Premiership season and are eyeing for a Sundowns trio okuNeo Mayema, Terence Mashego mase kuba uKegen Johannes. Labajida laba bafethu kuSundowns abawatholanga ama minutes amaningi, even kwiClub World Cup abawatholanga ama minutes amaningi. So iSwelele sibafuna ngempela labadlali. Kuthiwa kusona iSwelele FC kubonale uJesse Don noBuhle Mkhwanazi betrainer with iSwelele FC. Yabo, so bafuna ukuthola uNeo Mayema, uTerence Mashego noKegen Johannes for loan. Asazi ke noma kuzoba loan noma ipermanent, but ke iSwelele si interested ngempela sifuna ukuthola abadlali abayiquality esobasiza babuyele. Menikhumbula kahle ke bafethu uNeo Mayema vele ubesuka kuyona iCeltics. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs have inquired about the possibility of signing Black Leopards striker uBethuel Muzeu. Menikhumbula kahle lo mjida lo bafethu udlalela iBlack Leopards, iteam edlala leZansi waseNamibia. Umjida udlala ngempela eNamibia. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa ucoach uAtazwane want to reunite with the Kaizer Chiefs wonder kid uManqoba Ozemena. AmaZulu amfuna ngempela lo mdlali lo. Kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs angazi noma izomdedela noma cha, but ke AmaZulu are looking forward to sign this young player. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphumile kuthiwa former Mamelodi Sundowns attacker uKuyebetse Ramotsei is training with the Chippa United as he looks to return to Betway Premiership. Namhlanje bafethu akhishiwe ama-fixtures ama-games azodlala kwiBetway Premiership, but ke kukhishwe ama-fixtures a5 games. Iweekend yokuqala nje kwiBetway Premiership ama-games azoqala ngomhla ka9 August mase kuthi ama-game alandelayo alandele ngomhla ka10 August. Asike siwabheke ama-game ngo9 August lapho khona kuzotholana khona iChippa United versus iMamelodi Sundowns le eBuffalo City Stadium ngo3 o'clock ekseni. Nosekuseni emini mase kulandela AmaZulu versus iOrbit College izobidlala eMoses Mabhida le game le. Mase kuba iPulwane City versus iMagesi FC izobidlala eOld Peter Mokaba Stadium. Mase kuba iRichards Bay FC idlala neMarumo Gallants izodlala le eMhlathuze Sports Complex. Menikhumbula kahle ke iRichards Bay isizobuyela le Bay ngeyisadlala le eMlazi. So ama games ayo azobukelwa le Bay. Mufuna uyobukela ama games eRichards Bay hambiyele buyo ubuka khona kuMhlathuze Sports Complex Stadium sabo sesiright. Enye game elandelayo Orlando Pirates versus iSikhukhuna United sodlala eOrlando Stadium ngo5:30. Mase kuba iSwelele versus iGolden Arrows sodlala eLucas Moripe Stadium, which is which is funny because I thought isiwelele sodlala le Bloemfontein but ke mhlambe enye izinto lezo sazolungiswa mase ukuthi ngesonto kudlala iTS Galaxy versus iStephen City idlala le Mbombela Stadium mase ukuthi futhi nakhona ngesonto kudlala iStellenbosch versus iKaizer Chiefs idlale le Athlone Stadium. Kuthiwa ama-games awu-5 Orlando Pirates ezo-ophena ngawo. Kuthiwa igame yokuqala i-Orlando Pirates isikhukhune nje wasenibonile ilandele ngama-Romo Gallants idlala away mase idlala home match futhi neStellenbosch FC mase idlala home match again with the College with a possible reuniting with their former player okuMonopoly Saleng nabanye mase kuba iChippa United. So 5 of these games iwona ama-games i-Orlando Pirates ezovula ngawo. Mase sibheka ama-games awu-5 eKaizer Chiefs ezovula ngawo. Igame yokuqala iKaizer Chiefs izodlala ngomhla ka-10 August with iSteelers njengoba senibonile ilandele ngePulukwane City ezodlala ngomhla ka-13 August mase ilandela ngeRichards Bay mase uthi igame yesi-4 yeKaizer Chiefs which will be one of the biggest games sesijwayele ukuyibona iKaizer Chiefs idlala ama-games neMamelodi Sundowns. In the past 5 seasons siyibonile iKaizer idlala neSundowns early in the season nakule season ezoqala nje sayibona iKaizer Chiefs iyodlala neSundowns ngomhla 27 August mase ukuthi igame yesi-5 yeKaizer Chiefs kubi Arrows versus iKaizer Chiefs. So 5 games uKaizer Chiefs so bekuyiSteelers, Pulukwane City, Richards Bay, Mamelodi Sundowns and Golden Arrows. Mase ukuthi ama-games ayi-5 eMamelodi Sundowns igame yokuqala bazodlala neChippa United njengoba sengishilo mase ukuthi igame yesibili badlale namaZulu FC mase ukuthi igame yesithathu badlale neMagesi mase ukuthi igame yesi-4 njengoba sengishilo bazodlala neKaizer Chiefs. Game yesi-5 badlale neSteelers bafethu. So iwona ama-games lawo eMamelodi Sundowns ingaba the former champions bazokwazi yini ukukhuphula istandard sabo bawine wonke lama-games lawo noma cha khona la bezoqhuzwa khona ungangitshela ama-comments. Mase kuthiwa iSoweto Derby igame yokuqala iSoweto Derby izodlala ngomhla ka-28 February 2026 lapho khona iKaizer Chiefs iyona ezobe iphethe ama-home game privileges. Mase ithi game yesibili izodlala iOrlando Pirates versus iKaizer Chiefs nakhona iOrlando Pirates iyona ezobe ihome bafethu ngo-25 April 2026. So both of these games will be played next year. Mase ukuthi igame yeMamelodi Sundowns neOrlando Pirates ifixture yokuqala izodlala ngomhla ka-1 November lapho khona sobona iSundowns idlala home eLoftus. Game yesibili izobe idlalelwa eOrlando Stadium lapho khona iOrlando Pirates izobe iwamukela iMamelodi Sundowns ngomhla ka-31 January. Ngifuna ukubuyela kule game le ye-Orlando Pirates versus iKaizer Chiefs. To be honest, I'm not happy. Yabo ngikho happy bafethu. Ema-games eSoweto Derby kumele sibe negame yokuqala ezodlalwa kulonyaka esikuwona. Mase siba negame yesibili ezodlalwa ngalonyaka olandela. Asikwazi ukuba nama-derby mfethu adlalwa ngonyaka owodwa mfethu. Last season it was the same thing. Nadi season ezoqala so sawuba sikhombisa the same thing. Angiyithandi iderby mfethu manje. Yazi ngangcono mfethu iderby mfethu ibe ngo-2025. Mase ukuthi iderby enye elandelayo kube ngo-2026. Yabo ngangcono lapho. Manje ke iderby izodlala ngomhla 28 February. Silinde uMarch uzophele mase kudlala enye iderby futhi. No, it's not right. Kumele bayilungisa impela lento le mfethu. Iderby ama-games lawa mfethu ekumele siwabone. Maye ngeke sihlala unyaka wonke singayibuka iderby. Sesilinde lo nyaka olandelayo. Hayi ngeke bafethu abayilungise lento. Angazi mhlawumbe ungangitshela ama-comments but ke izona indaba mfethu zanamhlanje.